Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Trial and Error. So in this video I am going to tell you that how you can download and install different kinds of font from different websites. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, I'm using this website called fontspace.com. It's a really cool website, you will see. So here we have different categories like fonts, style, generator, etc. Here we can see the trendy fonts in the font category, and in the style category we have different style like trendy style, basic, decorative, retro, serifs and serif. One thing I really like about this website is its font generator category. So here you have to type or paste your sentence or word. You can simply copy the sentence or word that you like. This is really cool for decorating your Insta bio. Now I'm going to download one font. So it is downloaded in the zip file. So the second website is thefont.com. It is personally my favorite website. So it also have different kinds of category like handwritten, Asian, kids, school. So I'm clicking on this school one. So I simply download one, and it's also downloaded in the zip file. It also have foreign look kind of a font. So here I'm clicking on this Chinese and Japanese one. Here you can see. It is by far my favorite website. The third website is 1001font.com. So it is somewhat similar to thefont.com. Here we also have the different categories of fonts. So here I am downloading one font, and it is also downloaded in the zip file. Now it's time for installing the font. So open the folder and right click on your font. Here you can see the extract here option. So click on that, and after that this file format is available to you. Now simply click on that, and on the upper portion we have the install option. Simply click on that. Now open MS Word and choose blank document. Now style your font one by one. You can do multiple trial and error while styling your font. create your own style and bring out your creativity. I hope you liked my video. If you enjoyed and liked my video, please share it with your friends, and for more such content, please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.